The Thundia L2K 4K Full HD 1080p Projector TDA7W is a feature-rich home theater projector designed for users who want a cinematic viewing experience without spending a premium price. With native Full HD 1080p resolution and support for 2K and 4K video decoding, it delivers sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and impressive clarity for movies, gaming, and presentations. The projector performs well even on larger screens, making it ideal for both indoor home theater setups and outdoor movie nights. One of its biggest highlights is the built-in 32GB Android system, allowing users to install streaming apps directly without needing an external device. The Wi-Fi connectivity supports wireless screen mirroring from smartphones, tablets, and laptops, making content sharing smooth and convenient. It also supports 3D video playback, adding extra entertainment value for movie enthusiasts. The projector features multiple connectivity options, including HDMI, USB, and AV ports, ensuring compatibility with gaming consoles, TV boxes, and laptops. Its sound output is decent for casual use, though pairing it with external speakers enhances the overall experience. The TDA7W's brightness and image quality are suitable for dark or dimly lit environments, offering an immersive viewing experience with crisp details. Its portable design makes it easy to move for meetings, outdoor events, or home use. Overall, the Thundia LTDA7W is an excellent budget-friendly projector that combines smart features, solid performance, and versatility for entertainment and professional use.